Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss the problem which shown in the display. Example 1. Part A. Determine the weight of the car in newtons. Part B. Convert the mass of the car to slugs. Part C. Determine the weight of the car in pounds. Mass of the car given in the picture as 1400 kilograms. Let's see how to solve this example. At first, we have to note down all available data. We will note down it as two types, which are given data and data from manuals or books. Given data means data given in the problem, while other one is data obtained from some manuals or reference books. Only given data is M, which is equal to 1400 kilograms. We have three data from manuals. G equals 9.81 meters over s squared. 1 slug is equals to 14.594 kilograms. 1 pound is equal to 4.5359 times 10 to the power minus 1 kilogram. These are the data that we'll require for solve this problem. We will solve this problem part by part. Part A. Determine the weight of the car in newtons. In order to solve this, use the equation of W equals M times G. M is equal to 1400 kilograms. G is equal to 9.81 meters over s to the power 2. So the final answer is W equal 13,734 newtons. Part B. Convert the mass of the car to slugs. From data we know 1 slug is equal to 14.594 kilograms. Then, 1 kilogram is equal to 1 over 14.594 slugs. Multiply both sides by 1400. Then we have 1400 kilogram is equal to 1400 over 14.594 slugs. So our final answer is 1400 kilogram is equal to 95.93 slugs. Part C. Determine the weight of the car in pounds. From data we know 1 pound is equal to 4.5359 times 10 to the power minus 1 kilogram. Then we can write 1 kilogram is equal to 1 over 4.5359 times 10 to the power minus 1 pounds. Multiply both sides by 1400. Then we have 1400 kilograms equal to 1400 over 4.5359 times 10 to the power minus 1 pounds. So the final answer is 1400 kilograms equal to 3086 pounds and 49 pence. I hope you got the idea. We will see more examples in future videos. Hit a like if you learn anything from my teaching. To learn more engineering mechanics, please subscribe Educate Today YouTube channel. Thank you.